Are you looking for the best drawing tablets for kids? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best drawing tablets for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Wacom Intuos Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Intuos Small Graphics Drawing Tablet delivers industry-leading performance with superior control and precision, featuring Wacom's EMR battery-free technology that offers a natural pen-on-paper feel. Compatible with Android and Windows operating systems and easily connecting via USB-A, it supports 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, making it ideal for drawing, painting, photo and video editing, design creation, and document markup across any software program. Trusted by professional graphic designers, Wacom's advanced pen technology provides an unparalleled creative experience. With every purchase, Wacom includes software and access to exclusive online training, helping users unlock their full creative potential. With over 40 years of expertise in pen display and tablet markets, Wacom remains the global leader in drawing tablets and displays. Number 2. XPPen Artist12 Pro. The XPPen Artist12 Pro is a drawing tablet with a built-in screen, designed for use with a computer or laptop via a convenient 3-in-1 cable, requiring no additional adapters. Featuring an 11.6-inch full laminated display with virtually no parallax, it provides a realistic paper-like drawing experience with precise cursor placement. The tablet supports up to 60 degrees of tilt function, allowing smooth and natural shading without constantly adjusting brush direction in software. To enhance workflow, it includes a sleek red dial interface and 8 customizable shortcut keys for quick access to frequently used functions. The adjustable stand reduces shaking and helps relieve eye fatigue and hand stiffness, while the multifunction pen holder safely stores the pen and nibs. Compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10 and Mac OS X 10.10 or higher, the Artist12 Pro is perfect for beginners and professionals looking for a portable, efficient drawing solution. Number 3. XPPen Artist Pro 14. The XPPen Artist Pro 14 Gen 2 is a cutting-edge drawing tablet featuring the industry-first X3 Pro Smart Chip stylus with an impressive 16K pressure sensitivity, double that of most competitors, delivering unparalleled precision and smoothness for hyper-detailed artwork. Its 14-inch full laminated anti-glare screen offers a 16:10 aspect ratio, 178 degrees wide viewing angle, and TVSD certification for eye comfort by reducing harmful blue light, all while providing outstanding color accuracy with 99% sRGB coverage and a E2.2 rating. Designed for comfort and productivity, it includes a built-in foldable stand, a wireless shortcut remote for quick function access, and an ergonomic X-Edge wrist rest to reduce fatigue during long sessions. Compatible across Windows, Mac OS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux, it supports popular creative software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Krita, and more. The tablet also offers a convenient one-click switch between display and tablet modes. Recognized with the Good Design Award 2023, the Artist Pro 14 Gen 2 is a game-changing tool for digital artists seeking precision, comfort, and versatility. Number 4. HUION KAMVAS Pro. The HUION KAMVAS Pro 16 drawing tablet offers outstanding visuals with its 15.6-inch full laminated screen and anti-glare glass, providing immersive clarity and a smooth textured surface that feels natural for drawing. It delivers brilliant, true-to-life colors with a 120% sRGB and 92% Adobe RGB color gamut, along with a 1000:1 contrast ratio for sharp shadow details. Designed to optimize workflow, the tablet includes 6 customizable express keys and a touch bar for easy access to shortcuts, enhancing efficiency during creative tasks. The adjustable ST200 stand allows you to set the screen angle between 20 and 60 degrees, reducing strain on your neck and back for comfortable long sessions. Equipped with a battery-free pen featuring 8192 pressure levels, 60 degrees tilt support, and 2 programmable side buttons, it offers precise and responsive control with virtually no lag. The KAMVAS Pro 16 connects easily via a 3-in-1 USB-C cable, minimizing clutter while supporting multiple functions. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It supports popular creative software like Adobe Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, and Lightroom. Note that this pen display requires connection to a computer or laptop to operate. Number 5. GAOMON PD1161 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON PD1161 drawing tablet allows you to create directly on its full HD 11.6-inch IPS screen, featuring a pre-installed matte anti-glare film that mimics the feel of sketching on paper while reducing glare and reflections. It delivers vivid color performance with 72% NTSC, 100% sRGB, color gamut and 16.7 million colors for smooth, lifelike visuals. The included battery-free AP50 stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees tilt support for precise, natural drawing without the need for charging. With 8 customizable shortcut keys on the tablet and 2 programmable pen buttons, you can streamline your workflow efficiently. Compatible with Windows 7 or later and macOS 10.12 or later, the PD1161 works seamlessly with popular creative software such as Photoshop, Krita, Medibang, and Blender, as well as tools for remote work and online education like OneNote and Zoom. It connects via USB and HDMI ports and includes a 3-in-2 USB cable, pen holder, replacement nibs, drawing glove, and power adapter. Note that this tablet requires connection to a computer or laptop to operate, and may need an extra converter depending on your device's ports. It comes with a 1-year warranty and customer support for added peace of mind.